Hello lovely people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm in one of the largest wholesale markets for second-hand cars, used cars from China. If you are thinking of importing used cars from China, then this video is meant for you. This is one of the largest wholesale markets and we have so many vehicles from China. Why must you import used cars from China? One is they are affordable. Second is they are very quality, and you can own a car by just importing from China. Most of the people you can think of import most of their cars from China. So come along with me and let's explore the number of cars they have. So look at this. They are all J-Tor. So you can see so many cars. This is J-Tor 2024. So many. Let me show you the cars. We have J-Tor. So you can see so many cars. If you are thinking of importing cars from China, this is the wholesale market you need to come and get the car from China. I'm sourcing several of them for my customer right now. So if you need any of these, just contact us for a car. So many, you can see. Only J-Tor. This side is only for J-Tor. So many types. So as you can see, just behind me, you can see so many of them. So many. You can see that. Imagine all this big area is only for J-Tor brand. Any brand you can think of, whether Japanese, Korean car, you can get some here. Why? Because some Chinese also like using foreign cars. So most of them in China, within a year, they change their car and they try to buy a new one. Therefore, getting cars from here is very, very affordable. Why must you import cars from China? One is because of the cost. And if you're in Africa, you should know that there's currently free trade for people in Africa and China. There's free trade between China and Africa. So if you need any car from China, currently brand new car. You can see this one. This is 2024. I don't know if you can see it. This is 2024. This is 2024 car. And if you get this type, you can't even know that it's old. Look very new. Okay, so before you import any used cars from China, there are so many important factors you need to consider. One is you need to change the language into Chinese. If you cannot speak Chinese like I do, even me that I can speak Chinese, when the car is in Chinese language, I find it difficult sometimes. So one is you need to change the language. The next important thing is export document. Don't let somebody come and buy stolen car from China for you, and at the end of the day, when it gets to your country, people will be following you up. You need to know this. Don't let anybody sell stolen car for you. They can get stolen car for you, shipped to your country, and within several years or months, they'll be tracking you for their car. So you need to be very, very vigilant when importing used cars from China. So this is the area for J-Tor. We have several SUV cars that you can get from here. So one is changing the language. The next is export document. You need to get the export document before you can clear the car from China, before you can load the car to your country. With so many cars with 40-footer containers, it can take about 3 cars 40-footer container, depending on the size. One small SUV and maybe 2 JTOR can accommodate 3 cars. So today we are coming to source several of them for our customer in Ghana, and I'll be doing inspection of the car and everything. So these are SUVs. So several of them. So if you need any of these cars, just contact us. We are your #1 registered trading company based in China. And if you need any kind of car from China, just contact us and we'll arrange delivery from China to your country. So many of them I hope you can see behind. And I know you are curious about the prices of the cars. Yes, all you have to do is to contact us with the spec you need and we'll get you those cars. Just send us a detail of the spec. 1 is the year model, 2 is what brand, 3 is your estimated budget. If you are buying used cars is always due to availability. So we don't have fixed price for used cars. So you just send us your estimated budget and we will see if we can get you the same spec for you with quality car without any issue. So that is it. If you need any car, just contact us and we will help you arrange delivery from China to any part of the world. So right now I'll be showing you around the different kind of cars we have. I'll be giving detail of the cars I'll be buying from this wholesale market, and next is we'll be teaching you how to do shipping. My company, we can help you arrange container, book container. If you want to book container from China to load your cars, we offer that service as well. We can help you with loading. We can help you with custom clearance in China as well. So if you need anything like car services from China, just contact us. So let me show you more cars. So I've shown you the JTOR area. We have so many Chinese brands. So many. It's so huge and big area for cars. Niza Jawa. The Landwayne, we have Chinese brands, even foreign brands. So any of them that you want, just contact us and we'll get you these cars from China to Ghana.